Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hi, I'm MagdelineG. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this grey wrap midi dress. I also made it with a batwing sleeve, so it's easy fitting and there's no sleeves to set in, which is always a bonus. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Here is the tutorial. Here I just wanted to show you how I laid my pattern piece on my fabric. So I folded it down and put my fold line of my pattern at the fold of my fabric and pinned it together and cut it out. So that creates one front and back because they're connected. First thing I did was to sew the front opening, the front and back opening. So I turned it under 1 centimetre and top stitched. And once I'd done that, I turned it through so that it was right sides facing and sewed the underarm seam. Next, I put my left side into the right side because for women, right always goes over left. And then I just sewed the waist together, matching up the side seams. Then I went onto the skirt and I've already pinned it here, so I sewed my side seams. On the side with the slit, I just sewed down to my notch. Once I'd sewn my side seams, I folded back my split seam allowance 1 centimetre and top stitched it. Then I folded my hem up 2 centimetres and top stitched my hem. Then I turned both pieces through to the right side, my top and my skirt. And to place them both together, I took my skirt and I just put my hands through the bottom and pulled my top through the waist of the skirt so that the skirt is now on the wrong side facing up, but the right sides of the cloth are both facing. So the right side of the skirt and the right side of the top are facing, and I matched the side seams and I sewed around the waist of both. I should mention, when I sew my seams together, I do always have my seam allowance open on both sides so that it doesn't create any bulk. So make sure your seams are flat and open. Here it is all sewn up. I didn't show how I made the belt because I've done so many belts on my channel, and for this one I wanted it 3.5 inches wide, so 7 inches in total, and I made it about 1.5 meters in length. So I just sewed down the length right sides together, and then turned it through and closed the ends, and that was it. Dress is all finished.